Greetings to all. Welcome back to our YouTube channel. Myself Sanchita Sanand, a first year law student from Galgotia's University and currently working as a legal intern at LEXIS and Company. So today I am here to talk about the environmental laws in India. We are all living together on a single planet which is threatened by our own actions. And if you don't have some kind of global cooperation, nationalism is just not on the right level to tackle the problems, whether it's climate change or whether it's technological disruption. Laws in India for the protection of environment is the collection of agreements, regulations, laws and common law that governs how humans interact with their environment. The purpose of environmental law is to protect the environment and formulate rules for how people can use natural resources. The Indian laws on environment not only aim at protecting the environment from worse situations, but they also remind us who can utilize natural resources and on what terms. It is interesting to note that natural resources had been stored virtually untouched in the earth for millions of years. But since the start of the Industrial Revolution, vast amounts of these resources have been exploited within a period of just a couple of hundreds of years at unimaginable rates, with all the waste from this exploitation going straight in the environment and seriously damaging its natural processes. Although pollution had been known to exist for a very long time, it had seen the growth of truly global proportions only since the onset of the Industrial Revolution during the 19th century. So the Environment Protection Act 1986 defines environment as the environment includes water, air and land and the interrelationship which exists among and between water, air and land and human beings, other living creatures, plants, microorganisms and property. Besides the physical and biological aspects, the environment embraces the social, economic, cultural, religious and several other aspects as well. The environment thus is an amalgamation of various factors surrounding an organism that interact not only with the organism but also among themselves. It means the aggregation of all the external conditions and influences affecting life and development of organs of human beings, animals and plants. So the Environment Protection Act 1986 provides for the protection and improvement of environment. The Environment Protection Act establishes the framework for studying, planning and implementing long-term requirements of environmental safety and laying down a system of speedy and adequate response to situations threatening the environment. It is an umbrella legislation designed to provide a framework for the coordination of central and state authorities established under the Water Act 1974 and the Air Act. So, in case of any non-compliance or contravention of the Environment Act or of the rules or directions under the said Act, the violator will be punishable with imprisonment up to 5 years or with fine up to rupees 1 lakh or with both. In case of continuation of such violation, then an additional fine of up to rupees 5,000 for every day during which such failure or contravention continues after the conviction for the first such failure or contravention will be levied. Further, if the violation continues beyond a period of 1 year after the date of conviction, then the offender shall be punishable with imprisonment for a term which may extend to 7 years. So basically, some of the important legislations for environment protection are as follows. First is the National Green Tribunal Act of 2010. Second is the Air Prevention and Control of Pollution Act 1981. Then the Water Prevention and Control of Pollution Act 1974. Then the Environment Protection Act of 1986, the Hazardous Waste Management Regulations, etc. Then the National Green Tribunal Act 2010 and the National Green Tribunal Act 2010 that has been enacted, with the objective to provide for the establishment of a National Green Tribunal for the effective and expeditious disposal of cases relating to environment protection. So this was all about the environmental laws in India. Thank you so much for devoting your time and listening to my video. If my video was really helpful, then please like, share and comment, and do subscribe to our YouTube channel Lexcliq for more upcoming such videos. Thank you so much and have a nice day.